Is Disney going to help your portfolio live happily ever after? Stay tuned. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. The speaker's opinions should not be considered as advice from a licensed professional. Viewers should not use this content as a specific inducement to make investments or follow strategies, but rather as an expression of opinion. Follow the rest of the disclaimer, but please do your own research. What up, Tycoons? Welcome to Tycoon Network, where we specialize in trading stock options and providing educational stock market investing to help others achieve financial success. Now, we're looking at the Disney monthly chart. It's going to be a quick hit, Tycoon tidbit. So we have the big downtrend trend line that we broke. It's a 3-year trend line, by the way. All right, since 2021, the high of 2021 down to the end of 2023. We broke that at the end of 2023, right around the time we started rallying in the whole market. Okay, so what we're looking at is a breakout above 125. If we break out above 125, then we're hitting 166.50. All right, above 166.50, then we go to make all-time highs. All right, we go to exceed all-time highs in the 200s. Okay, so you want to set your alerts for 125, just like mine. And then once we get above 125, in my opinion, this would be a good one to hold until we get to 166.50 or above that. All right, so if you wanted to grab either shares or if you wanted to grab calls, that's up to you. If we get a test of 125 and get rejected, we could drop down all the way back down to test this trend line, which could take us below 100, well below 100 to around 65. All right, 65 to 70, or 80 area, depends. It depends on where we stop at, but I'm banking on around like 75 to 70 is where we retest at. Could be as low as 65 though. So if we don't get above 125, that's what we have to look forward to, in my opinion. It would start with us getting to 111. 111 would be like an area where we could bounce at. If we don't bounce at 111, then it's all she wrote. So that is my opinion on Disney. Happy trading. Make sure you join our free newsletter, The Tycoon Blueprint. Invest smarter, grow faster. All you have to do is click the link below and provide your email to subscribe. Don't forget to join our exclusive trading and investing community, where we provide a blend of technical analysis and cutting-edge AI technology like AI-powered stock predictive flow channels. We have the crypto alerts for breakouts. We have the stock option callouts by AI. They even give you the strike price and the expiration, along with several other features. We also have the trade suggestions from ourselves, the stock suggestions, leap suggestions, callouts from ourselves, economic data updates, and much more. Make sure you click the link below to join. Here's some of the profits from our trading group. We have from 20% all the way up to 4,000%. Now that's an anomaly, but we also have a couple 100% right here, 500, 160 right here. We also have 50%. So we look forward to seeing you in our trading group so you can get some profit as well. Also, whether you're an expert trader in need of a little help, or if you're a novice and you've never traded before, you want to get our accelerated trading course just for $19.97. We have 3 sections in there: foundation, framework, and finishes. Also having a bonus section with a lot of material that can help you with the investment journey, and it comes with a few ebooks. So this keeps it really simple, hones in on how you can make money now and in the future in the market. So this is really essential if you want to learn and grow. So accelerated trading course, only $19.97. You want to grab that. Lastly, if you or someone you know is interested in futures trading, click that link below for Apex Trader funding and the promo code. Input that promo code for 80% off. Now, if you don't have a ton of money, you can get access to between $25,000 and $300,000 per account. All you have to do is pay a small monthly fee, but with the promo code, you'll get 80% off. If you get 20 accounts for $300,000, that's $6 million in trader funding. And all you have to do is pay $2,000 a month. So you get access to $25,000 for your first withdrawal. And after that, you'll get 90% of the profits that you make. So once again, click that link below, put the promo code in, start trading now.